Dr. Frank Amoakohene. He's an excellent minister for now. Very excellent. My prayer is that on Kosovo, the credit, accessibility, and the forthrightness, no, any juma. Because I said, also, as it's on an animal consent more. I said about the political administrators. How you be there? And yet the normal regional minister now will be there. How you be there? I know the seat of Accra, Kranba, Ebetsere Kwan be answered and I'm to be with my day. It or ye focused. Not or the Juma Dane and Ukraine or Brassier, a Juma, and now can. Begin said anonymous any Kumas man or mechanic chairman. So say, any Yajunis idea, Messre say, SSA, Yagrissa. If we say, Ukrebi Wunu, and I'm so no one can say what then. So by the time of the exit, Asante maybe he will be acknowledged as one of our finest regional ministers that we've ever had. And I'll be proud because, Master, Mebun Bebre, Yabuya Shifom, Mematra Mebun agency, Yabuya Shifom. People as young as they were at certain times, if they had been given these opportunities, they would have excelled.
Right.
But there was a fear. So the biggest fear in this administration is Unibia who fall within that bracket now. We are youthful, no. My exuberance and conform. Now my focus on the humility and hard work and your key areas. No, I mean no more holding him there with the Dijuma. And yes, sir, it will be the same Ghana after 4 years. The same Ghana after 8 years. Now, according to say, positions any party and assessor. But my no money, Padudo, and as I saw more common, no more brabuti bitumpono. Not shame your day. Exercise.